as the people have to suffer from any specific issue about water, so the second blank should be filled with anything negative. And so the first blank in the first clause before the detour sign but should be filled with any positive issue about oil and gas. People cannot suffer from abundance or affluence of water, which is meant by choice D and E. But dearth as choice F means sparsity or scarcity of water, so it fits the blank 2 according to the prediction. As choice F fits blank 2, so blank 1 is to be filled with the choice means opposite to dearth, which is meant by choice C, as plethora means affluence. And choice A and B both mean sparsity or scarcity, and so they are eliminated as incorrect options. So choice C is the correct answer for blank 1. So the correct answers are choice C and choice F.